In this video, we are going to see about a relationship in ER diagram. What is an ER diagram? An entity relationship diagram is a visual representation of different entities within a system and how they related to each other. It is a tool used to design and model relational database and show the logical structure of the database. There are three basic elements in an ER diagram. They are entity, attribute, and relationship. What is a relationship? In ER diagram, a relationship shows how entities are connected or related to each other in the database. A relationship represents interaction or association between entities. In ER diagram, relationships are represented in diamond shape. Here are some examples for a relationship. The employee works for an organization. A customer buys a car is an example for a relationship. A relationship characteristics. First one is name. Name describes the nature of the association between entities. Directionality. It indicates flow or direction of the association between entities. It may be a unidirectional or bidirectional. Next one is cardinality. Cardinality specifies the number of instances of one entity that can be associated with instance of another entity in a relationship. Next, degree. Degree of a relationship indicates the number of entities participating in the relationship. A relationship can be unary, binary, or ternary. Next one, attributes. A relationship can have attribute that describes additional information about the association between entities. Last one is recursive relationship. Some relationship involves an entity being related to itself, known as recursive relationship. They represent connection or interaction within the same entity. Relationship types. There are four types of relationship. There is one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, many-to-one relationship, and many-to-many relationship. Let's say about one-to-one relationship. Each instance of one entity is associated with exactly one instance of another entity is one-to-one entity. For example, consider two entities, person and Aadhaar card. Each person can have only one Aadhaar card and each Aadhaar card is assigned to only one person. Next, we are going to see about one-to-many or many-to-one relationship. Each instance of one entity is associated with multiple instances of another entity, but each instance of other entity is associated with only one instance of the first entity. For example, consider two entities, customer and order. Each customer can place multiple orders, but each order is placed by only one customer. Let's say about the last relationship type, that is many-to-many relationship. Multiple instances of one entity are associated with multiple instances of another entity and vice versa. For example, consider two entities, students and course, where each student can enroll in multiple courses and each course can have multiple students enrolled in it. This is an example for many-to-many relationship. Hope you understand about the relationship and its types. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.